Re-reviewin ng administrasyon ni Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte ang ilang programang may kaugnayan sa sektor ng agrikultura sa bansa upang makamit ang progreso nito. Sa panayam sa isang pulong pambalitaan sa Davao City, umaasa si bagong Agriculture Secretary Emmanuel Manny Piñol na ang pag-review sa mga programang ito ay magdadala ng pagbabago at makakapagpaangat ng kasalukuyang kabuhayan ng mga itinuturing na sector of ironies. May tatlong aspetong tinitignan ngayon ang kagawaran. Una, ang kawalan ng maayos na water management sa bansa. Dapat na din daw na mabigyang pansin ang pagtitipid sa paggamit ng tubig para pagsasapit ang panahon ng tag-init ay magagamit ito para sa mga sakahan. Naniniwala kasi ang kalihim sa katagang food grows where water flows. Bilang solusyon din, halimbawa sa siyudad ng Davao, maaaring mag-hire si Secretary Piñol ng isang magaling na hydrologist na pag-aaralan ng water management ng siyudad. Pangalawa, ang pagsisiguro at pagpapalakas ng rice, abaka, and coconut food productions. Para sa dating gobernador ng Cotabato, maraming ginagawang programa ang Agriculture Department upang makamit ito. Sa ngayon kasi, ayon sa Philippine Coconut Authority, nakakapag-produce ang Pilipinas ng 47 average nuts per tree per year. At pangatlo, ang hakbang kontra kahirapan lalo na sa mga magsasaka at mangingisda.
Basic na problems na nakikita ko na talagang i-address dapat natin, and as I've said, we really have to go back to the basic mandate of agriculture, which is food production. But after 3 months of dry spell, we cry water. And that simply emphasizes our lack of water management. So when I was in the US, I talked to the mayor of Salinas, one of the leading agricultural cities in the US, and I asked for his help to find for me a very good hydrologist, somebody who could study water management in the country. I mean, how do we save rainwater that flows through our creeks and rivers, that goes straight to the ocean? How can we conserve this so that during the dry season we will be able to use this to water our plants?
Hinamon din ni Secretary Piñol ang bawat DA Regional Directors na gawing rice sufficient ang kanilang mga rehiyon.
This is a project management office in collaboration with the local government office unit. I've already talked to Governor Steve Solon of Sarangani, number 5 in the list of poorest provinces. I've already talked to Governor Ismael Mangodato, number 4 in the list of 10 poorest provinces. And I have recommended for appointment a retired Commodore of the Philippine Coast Guard who was involved in law enforcement, fisheries law enforcement.
Samantala, sa usapin naman ng tila unti-unti ng pagko-convert ng Banawe rice terraces bilang taniman ng mga gulay, komento ng opisyal.
No, I don't think so. I mean, there is a growing interest right now among the traditional rice farmers in Banawe because I have declared when I was there, although I still have to make the official declaration, that the Tinawon rice variety of Banawe will no longer be considered as a commodity. It will now be considered as a high-value crop. No? In fact, I talked about this in my recent trip to the U.S., and the Americans are excited to have a taste of a rice variety which takes 1 year to harvest. Tutulungan din natin sila kasi mababa yung kanilang harvest eh. Nasa 2.5 metric tons lang per hectare ang kanilang harvest.
Hindi lamang din daw katiwalian ang tututukan ni Secretary Piñol, kundi nais din ng opisyal na makilala ang kanyang administrasyon na nagkakalob ng affordable and available food para sa mga Pilipino. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Julius Nisamburon, Davao City.